Hello, my name is Christophe Bertrand and I am a senior analyst at ESG focused on data protection. We recently conducted our 2018 Data Protection Landscape Survey and uncovered some very interesting trends. In this series of video blogs, we will cover several facets of the ever-changing landscape of data protection. Today, I will discuss how often organizations test their ability to restore data from their primary backup application. Candidly, nobody cares about backup. The real question at hand is whether your data protection investments will deliver data and systems recovery when called upon. It's all about recovery. So we asked our respondents to tell us more and to specify how often they test their recovery capability. The results are particularly interesting on their own, but even more so when comparing them to satisfaction levels with their primary backup solution. 20% of organizations test daily and another 22% test weekly. My view is that it's not enough, given sometimes lofty expectations on SLAs. I would have expected higher numbers, but I'll take it. It's a best practice, and I hope that the organizations that use my data to deliver services to me are in this group. It turns out that in this very group of organizations that test daily or weekly, 59% are completely satisfied with our primary backup solution. And guess what? For those organizations that don't test as often, only 10% of these organizations are completely satisfied with our primary backup solution. So here's my message to end users. Test, test, and test. And you should be able to decide if your vendor meets your requirements and love them for it. To vendors, the more your customers use your recovery capabilities, as long as they meet their requirements, the more they will like you and be satisfied. This means simplified and measurable testing features, which must be non-disruptive to the production environment. And by the way, if you're thinking about your NPS score, that's where I'd start. Thank you so much for your time.